Our team works hard to ensure our clients are satisfied, so we love it when our clients provide feedback in the form of a review. It's great validation that we're on the right track.
The staff was helpful and made me feel comfortable. They fixed my phone while I waited, and it was quick. My experience with CPR Cell Phone Repair was great. I would tell others about them.
Find out how our thousands of hours of dedication and experience can help you. We would love the opportunity to add you to our list of happy customers. We appreciate you taking the time to drop in on us today. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. We hope to see you soon.